welcome back one more time with Cooking with Gloria. I'm Gloria, and today I'm going to prepare for you Carne Asada Nachos. They come out delicious, and I know that you and your family will enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients: I have 1 avocado, 4 limes, salt, black pepper, nacho cheese, cheddar cheese, jalapeños, nachos chips, and the star, my carne asada, already cut in small pieces. I want to start with the recipe. I am going to start by marinating my carne asada. I'm going to start with my limes, and these are organic limes because I got them from my lime tree. Okay, I'm going to add all the juice of the 4 limes here. I like to prepare my carne asada first and let it rest for about 30 minutes so all the salt and the black pepper, the lime, marinates the carne asada perfectly. And I have about 3 pounds of carne asada already pre-cut. I'm going to add my salt, add my black pepper, and I am going to whisk. And I have my carne asada here, and I'm going to add it. I'm going to cover it, let it rest for 30 minutes, and then I will be back with you. I am ready to start with my carne asada. It has been resting for 30 minutes. I'm going to add a little bit of vegetable oil to my pan. It is already hot, and I am going to add my carne asada to start cooking it. What I like to do is just mix it a little bit and cover it. And then I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, I'm going to uncover it. It has a little bit of juice in the bottom. We're gonna let it cook, let it dry, and then I'll see you when this is ready. At this moment, the juices have dried up. Now I am just browning my carne asada. It should be about 3 to 4 more minutes before I am ready for these carne asada nachos. I am ready to transfer my carne asada to my plate. I can't wait to assemble my nachos. I am ready to assemble my nachos. Let's see, let's grab a little bit of chips. Oops, making a mess. I have transferred my cheese here so it's easier to pour. Ooh, I love it with a lot of cheese. Okay, I'm going to add my jalapeños. If you don't like it too spicy, you could just add just a couple of them. Ooh, this looks delicious. I'm gonna add, of course, the star, the carne asada. And to this, you could add sour cream, cilantro with a little bit of onion. I am going to add a little bit of avocado, a couple slices. This is delicious. Let's see how it tastes. Let's see. Let me try this one that has a jalapeno, because this is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward to. Let's see. Can't wait. Excuse me. Delicious. And I hope that you could prepare it at home. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, share my video on social media. Don't forget to push the little button so whenever I make a new video, you are notified. Thank you so much for watching my videos from start to end. I really appreciate it. But before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. Bye-bye.